Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Now it's been raining elephants and monkeys here in Kampala, and I cannot think of any better recipes to share today than these 3 warm and comforting hot chocolate drinks made with a few simple ingredients and no fancy equipment. Look out for the classic cocoa, a mocha latte, and the ultimate hot chocolate. Alright, so I've listed all the ingredients for you in the description below, and I'm starting out with a classic cocoa. To a small saucepan, add your cocoa powder, sugar, and water. Whisk until smooth. Transfer the saucepan to your cooker and bring the contents up to a boil over medium heat. Now add your hot milk after reducing the heat to low, and then whisk continuously until nice and frothy like this. Pour the cocoa into a mug or heavy glass, and you may even add a dash of whiskey or rum. Yay! Next up, we're making the ultimate hot chocolate. Now here, I have some roughly chopped chocolate. Now for the absolute best results, you're going to need some quality dark chocolate, which I did not use because I'm not going to spend an arm and a leg on it. Place the chocolate in a small saucepan, add about 2 tablespoons of water, and stir over low heat until the chocolate has melted bulonji. Now gradually add your hot milk. I added a small amount, whisked until smooth before adding the remaining milk like so. Now whisk until smooth and frothy, and then pour into your mug and enjoy. Finally, let's make this easy mocha latte. To a heavy glass or mug, add your strong coffee. I used Ugandan coffee, which I absolutely love. Add your cocoa powder and your hot milk. Stir until the coffee, the cocoa, and the milk are well combined. And enjoy! So there you have it. 3 easy to make hot chocolate drinks you can enjoy during this cold and rainy season. I thank you ever so much for watching, and until my next one, may the good Lord bless, and bless you some more. Bye!